Hello and welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. My name is Tom. Today is December 2nd, 2021, and we are 2 days into the month of December, leaving us 23 days until Christmas. And the stock market in the past couple of days has definitely given us some sales, including Black Friday and Cyber Monday opportunities to buy. And we find yet more opportunities to buy here on this Thursday. So I do want to go over a couple of stocks that we just executed purchases on, both buying the stock long and buying some calls. Before I do that, I do have to tell you that this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a licensed broker. These are simply my opinions and the collective opinions of the TMP group, the majority, what we're doing, and where we're going. If you like the content that you hear today, I would appreciate you leaving us a thumbs up. If you are investing or trading any of the stocks I talk about on the channel, let me know how you feel about them in the comments. And of course, hit the subscribe button so you can and the notification bell so you can be notified when we come on midday like this, or at any time to see the trades that we are making and the investments that we're making. So I do want to point a couple of things out. The market has reacted very negatively to the Omicron virus, and the last time that we had something like this come up with Delta, it only lasted for about a week. We got things in order there and the market rebounded quickly. I do expect to see a rebound to the market. In fact, we've already seen one this morning, and that should continue. But the two stocks that I want to talk about, and you can see them in the thumbnail, so it is no mystery, is DraftKings, and I keep talking about DraftKings. I am a big believer in DraftKings. I've been holding DraftKings for over a year and will continue to hold because I believe that this will emerge as the leader in the online sportsbook, online gambling, and I believe that that segment will grow. There's a lot of pain involved in growing, a lot of expense involved in growing, and we've seen that with DraftKings. And then, of course, the other stock that I want to get into today is SoFi. SoFi is the financial institution that provides debt consolidation loans. It provides student loan consolidation and a myriad of other things from credit card help to mortgages. But I want to just do a quick video, let you know what we just did and what I did personally here. Took about a $7,500 investment, and I broke it up into about $4,500, $4,600 in DraftKings and about $2,500, $2,600 in SoFi. So look at DraftKings right now. The DraftKings purchase that I made, I bought DraftKings at $31.96. I was able to average down. My average is right around $42 on DraftKings. So I was able to average down. Took a look at the 200-day moving average of DraftKings, and that's at $52.50. So at $31.96, we're well below the 200 MD or DMA, and we're also below the 50 DMA. The 50 DMA is at $44.54, so $44.54 the past 50 days. And it shows that we have a previous support level multiple times in the past 6 to 8 months at $42. So the $31.96 is well below the $42 level. It's support. It's well below the 50 daily moving average and well below the 200-day moving average. So what did we do? We picked up 100 shares of DraftKings at $31.96 for a total of roughly $3,200, and then purchased 5 call options. And the 5 call options we purchased were February 18, 2022's $35 calls. So we're about $3.05 out of the money. We paid $280 for them, or $2.80 per contract. Bought 5 of them, so roughly $1,400. I do see a price target of DraftKings in the next 6 to 12 months at $50. And with those calls expiring February 18th, that is shortly after Super Bowl. So we're hoping that we can have a nice run up for the rest of the NFL season. More and more states will adopt and get into the sports gaming, and DraftKings can continue to add to its monthly users, and it has been adding to its monthly users. DraftKings has been on a downtrend lately. Like I said, it's been spending a lot of money. Licensing alone to get into a state can cost up to $25 million. Then they have to pay the acquisition cost for the players. So if you go on to DraftKings and you're a new player, for example, right now they have something in Arizona where if we bet $1 on a game and any point is scored in that game, they'll give you $100. A lot of people have been getting into the app and they have been just taking advantage of the free money, the bonuses, nothing wrong with that, but then bouncing out and moving on to a Caesars app to get more freebies or MGM, so on and so forth. So DraftKings has to spend a lot of money to acquire and hold these monthly users, and their monthly users month over month are increasing, so people are staying and using the DraftKings platform. Okay, the second stock is SoFi, trades under ticker symbol SOFI. Simultaneously as when buying the DraftKings, we bought SoFi. We bought 5 SoFi calls, and they also were for February 18th, 2022 at $17.50 strike price for about $2 a piece. Now, SoFi, we bought 100 shares at $16.19, so paid just over $1,600 for a total investment in this trade or investment of $2,600. And I'll break down the difference between what I consider the trade and the investment. Looking at SoFi, like I said, at the time of this video, SoFi is at $16.19. It is well below its 200-day moving average of $17.86. And if you take a look at the 50 DMA, the 50 DMA is higher than the 200 DMA. It's $19.30. So there's about a $1.50 spread right there. I love when I see that. That makes me more and more excited about getting more into SoFi today. Both of these are positions that we have that we've talked about before. In fact, recently we did make some good money off of SoFi puts. And the reason we put the puts on SoFi was that it completed a 50 million share, what we call insider selling. And we know that we will recoup and we will rebound from that. At least that's my opinion. So previous support for SoFi is lower than the price today. Previous support is showing us at about $14.80, so just under $15. However, SoFi does show resilience when it hits down to that $15 level. We're close at $16.19. Was very confident in purchasing another full position, 100 shares on SoFi for $1,600, and buying the 5 call options for February 18th. So we're at the 2nd of December today. We have January 2nd, February 2nd, and then 16 days. So we're 2 months and 14 days, a little shorter than the 90-day period that I usually like to buy options for. But with the catalysts that we have coming up with the Super Bowl, I tied the 2 in because the Super Bowl this year is being played at none other than SoFi Stadium in Los Angeles. So there's more and more publicity, more and more just news will be coming out on SoFi, and the company does have strong balance sheets. It is growing, month over month and year over year. So we consider both SoFi and DraftKings strong buys at this level. SoFi a strong buy at $16.20. I would say anywhere under $17. And DraftKings I love here at the $32 mark. We bought it for $31.96, and I would consider DraftKings a strong buy under $35. Again, these are my opinions only, and I am looking to build long-term wealth. I'm looking to hold the stock, not so interested in trading it. That's why we put the options on it, because if the stock goes up or down, it really doesn't matter. I want to hold it, but I do believe that we will have in the next 90 days a strong catalyst for both SoFi and DraftKings. Okay, I have a couple links down below. I have one link for crypto.com, where if you sign up and you stake, I believe the minimum is $400. Not only will they give you a great metal debit card at the $400 level, you can go $400, $4,000, or $40,000, but the minimum is $400. You stake that, they're going to give me $25 in Crowcoin, and they'll give you $25 in Crowcoin. Coinbase link is down below as well. Coinbase link will give you some free Bitcoin just for signing up and doing the email and ID verification. And then I have 2 links below to some mobile trading apps. Robinhood is one brokerage, and the other brokerage is Webull. And both of those platforms, you're able to make trades, right from your phone. It's very user friendly, and you can buy fractional shares. So you can get into cryptocurrency for $1 if you want to. You could get into Google, which trades right around, over $2,000. You can get into that for $100. You can get into Amazon, which is at the $3,500 level. You can get into that for $350. You name the price, you can get in. I believe there's a $5 minimum. So if I said $1, I will retract that, but I believe there's a $5 minimum. Either way you go, guys, I always believe that we should have money in the market, make our money work for us. When we go to bed at night, money's working. We wake up in the morning, it's working. We come to work, and if you work in the market and you trade, your money's trading with you. If you have a day job that's not in the market, your money's still working. And when you go home, your money brings its friends home too. Create generational wealth. If you do not have a wealth chain in place, become the first link. And then pass that on to your children and pass it on to your family. Let them pass it to their family, so on and so forth. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about either SoFi or DraftKings at these levels. Subscribe and share the video. And hope everyone has a great day, that our portfolios are going up and to the right. And can't wait to see you in the next one.